All right, welcome to the 7-step attraction marketing formula. In this video, we're going to be discussing step number 1, branding you. Hey, I'm Norbert Orlowitz here, co-founder of MLSP, where we help home business owners get results. And in this video, we're going to be talking about step number 1 of the 7-step attraction marketing formula, how to brand you. So this really is the first fundamental step to attraction marketing, branding you. You must brand you, not your company. Remember that people join people, not companies. And they're looking for leadership. Regardless of what anybody or any company tells you, you must brand you, not your network marketing company. The only unique thing about you is you. It's not your product, not your service, or your offer. Chances are there's thousands of marketers trying to sell the same or similar product as you are. Branding you is how you stand out from the crowd. The only real way to become recession-proof and create ultimate financial security in your business is to brand you. So there are 3 big reasons why you want to be branding yourself and not your network marketing company. Number 1, people buy products from and join people, not companies. People buy from and do business with people they know, like, and trust. They join people. And if you can become the leader in your prospect's eyes, and they feel that you can get them where they want to go, they will join you. Now that you know that people join people and not companies, stop marketing your company up front. Number 2, companies come and go, but you are here to stay. All businesses, especially network marketing companies, come and go all the time. 90% of businesses don't survive their first 5 years in any industry. And we've seen all too many horror stories of MLM companies changing their compensation plan overnight, which leaves entrepreneurs like you and me with 0 income for our families. Build your business on concrete, not quicksand, and brand you. Number 3, branding the company will guarantee that you lose customers. If you're branding your network marketing company all over Facebook, as an example, on Instagram and social media, there will be a percentage of your prospects, a good percentage of your prospects, that will simply go and Google the company before you connect with them. And chances are they'll find another leader to work with or some silly article telling them not to join your company. It's virtually guaranteed that you will lose customers and business if you simply brand your network company upfront and all over social media. And branding you has nothing to do with how much money you're making or have made. In fact, ironically, branding you has nothing to do with you at all, really. It's about them, your prospect. It's about the people that you're going to serve. So don't stress about having to put together an impressive resume to attract buyers for your business. Nobody really cares about that. Your prospect cares about one thing: what's in it for them. As you'll see in step 4, your audience wants answers to their questions, solutions to their problems, and painkillers for their pain. So don't worry if you're brand new or if you haven't made any money before. Attraction marketing is not fake it till you make it, or pretending you're someone you're not, or lying about how much money you've made. Attraction marketing is about getting good at something your target audience wants. And then it's about serving and impacting your audience with consistent value. And check this out. This is why value is so important as you build and brand you. You must understand something. Money is just a representation of how much value you're bringing to the world. The more value you inject into your audience, the more money you're going to make. It's the law. Once you grasp this concept of attraction marketing and why you need to brand you, you understand why most marketers and business owners fail and stay broke. And here's the deal. It's not even your fault if you're struggling to grow your business right now. You've unfortunately been misled by somebody who knows nothing about marketing, sales, and building a business. Let's stick with the network marketing example. Chances are, if you're in a network marketing company right now, You're trying to build your business the way they, the company owners, want you to build it. Cold calling, home parties, hotel meetings, friends and family, bandit signs, approaching strangers at the mall, you get the idea. And for 99% of people, these strategies do not work and will never work, unfortunately, and nobody likes doing them. If you like inviting strangers over to your house at night to present a business opportunity, and you're good with starting up conversations with random strangers in the grocery line, and you like doing that kind of thing, well, that's great. Keep doing that if it's making you money. But we know from decades of experience that many people would rather jump off a cliff than do any of those activities. So even if you are good at these things and you personally recruit a few people into your organization, the people you bring into your business will most likely not succeed with this blueprint. And if you can't get your team to succeed because you're forcing them to do things they don't want to do, you will never create your dream lifestyle. Now, you may be thinking, okay, great, this attraction marketing brand you approach is starting to make some sense. I now understand why I should be branding myself. But how do I brand myself and attract customers and buyers to me, especially if I'm brand new or I haven't made any money yet? We're going to address this and much more in step 2, where we talk about defining your audience. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit that bell so you get notified every time we put out a new training. And if you got a big breakthrough or have any questions, make sure you leave a comment below to share with the community. And click the link in the description below to continue with the 7-step attraction marketing formula.